Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While modeling this component, I will start with this base plate. I will draw this sketch, the dimension they have given. Then I will extrude up to the length of 60. Then I will create this cylinder with a diameter of 238 with a length of 62. Then two material addition features are done. Then we'll go for a material removal feature of this hole, blind hole with a diameter of 162 with a length of 62. Then we can go for this cut, the dimension they have given. We'll remove this cut both side. Finally, we just want to make a counter bore hole. Two holes we have to make with a standard diameter of 20. For that, we'll be using hole tools. After modeling this model in Creo Parametric, it will look like this. You can see it here. The same thing we are going to model step by step. For that, just go to File, Close. For easy modeling, I will keep this geometry file left side and Creo Parametric in the right side. Now we can model this component very easily by seeing the dimensions. Now just go to the new part, solid, untick this use default template, say OK. Select this part solid absolute, say OK. Switching on all the planes. Now we'll start with this plate. I'm just selecting this front plane, sketch, sketch view. Now we can make a center line. Press the roller to confirm. Now here you can see the radius 138 circle we have to draw. Take the circle. The radius they have mentioned it. That is 138. Press enter. Then we'll make a line. This one is a symmetric line. Here you can see the line is located 350 away from the center. One side it will be 350 divided by 2 and the height they have mentioned as 200. Then we'll connect this circle and line by a tangent connection. Take a line. Here you can see here it is tangent. Similarly here also tangent. Then we can make a mirror. For that, just press the roller to confirm. We have selected this line and press the control and select this line also. Go for mirror, select this axis. Now we'll delete unwanted edges by using a delete segment. Now the sketch is closed. Just say OK. Go to extrude. Rotate the object. The thickness is, this one is 30 and this one is also 30, totally 60. Just specify 60, say OK. Then we'll create this cylinder with a diameter of 238. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Take the circle. Diameter is 238. Just say OK. Extrude. The extrusion length is they have specified here as a 62. Just say OK. Now we'll create the material removal feature. First we'll start with the cylinder also. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. The inner circle diameter is 162. Say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. The extrusion length is 62. Say OK. Now we'll remove this cut. For the select this mid plane, sketch, sketch view. we can change the orientation also. It's showing bottom, left, no, make it right. Sketch it. Now we have to remove the cut here. Take a line from here to connect it here, somewhere here, and just connect it. So this one is totally 60. Now we have started with 30. Then this length they are not specified. Instead they have given angle. Similarly here, instead of this dimension they have given 200. Go to dimension. From center axis to this point it is 100. Then this angle they have given, it is 60. Just say OK. Extrude. Material removal. Go to options. Here 2 next, and other side also 2 next. Say OK. We just want to mirror this cut. Select this mirror. Select this plane. Say OK. Now this cut also done. Now we'll make this counter bore hole with a diameter of M20. For that we have to create a plane with the tangent of the circle. For that select this mid plane. Go to plane. Then you press the control and select the surface. In the first option, datum plane. This one is the datum plane, top plane. Make it parallel. Second one is the surface. The plane has to be tangent to the surface. Here you can see. Now just say OK. Then we can make a hole. Before that, just make a point. From that we can easily make a hole. So select this plane, sketch view. Just take this point. Here we place it. This point is located here. And the distance they have specified is from this surface to 30 mm. So dimension from here to here, it is 30. Now just say OK. Now we have selected this point. Go to hole. It is automatically placed into the hole. Now go for standard. Thread type is ISO. You can choose different types. Here M20 we have to choose. M20. And go to shapes. Here there is option called counter bore. This bore height is 10. This is a need to modify. And here 2 next. Here you can see 2 next. Just say OK. Press the roller to confirm. The same has to be drawn here. For that, go to pattern. Here it is axis pattern. Select the axis it asks me. Axis. $90 it's showing 4. It has to be 2 in the 90 degree. Just say OK. Here you can see it is generated this side, but it has to come this side. Just go to edit. Here just change the direction. Just say OK. Now you can see it is generated here this side. Now just untick. Add all the plane. Shaded with the just standard orientation. Now we have modeled complete component. This is our component. Now just to change the appearance, go to view, appearance, give some white color to inner holes, press the control and select multiple surfaces. For remaining surfaces, we can apply some other color. Like that we can apply. In this tutorial, we have learned how to model this component. In next tutorial, we'll learn how to model a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.